Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between green hills and a sparkling river, lived a girl named Lily. Lily was known for her kind heart and bright smile. She loved helping others and spent her days tending to her family's garden and caring for the animals. In the same village, there was a boy named Jack. Jack was hardworking and strong, with a dream to see the world beyond the hills. He spent his days working in the fields, saving money for his journey. One sunny morning, as Lily was picking flowers by the river, she heard a soft melody carried by the wind. Curious, she followed the sound and found Jack sitting under a tree, playing a wooden flute. His music was beautiful, and Lily was enchanted. "Your music is lovely," she said, smiling at Jack. Jack looked up, surprised to see Lily. He blushed and said, "Thank you. I play whenever I have a moment to myself. It helps me dream about the places I want to see." Lily sat beside him and listened. They talked for hours about their hopes and dreams. Jack shared stories of distant lands he wished to visit, and Lily spoke of her love for the village and its people. Days turned into weeks, and Lily and Jack's friendship grew stronger. They spent many afternoons by the river, talking, laughing, and sharing their hearts. Lily found herself looking forward to their time together, and Jack felt the same. One evening, as the sun set and painted the sky with hues of orange and pink, Jack turned to Lily and said, "Lily, I have something to tell you." Lily's heart skipped a beat. "What is it, Jack?" Jack took a deep breath. "I've been saving money to travel and see the world, but now I realize that my dreams have changed. I don't want to leave this village. I want to stay here, with you." Tears welled up in Lily's eyes. She had hoped for this moment but didn't dare to dream it would come true. "Oh, Jack," she whispered, "I've fallen in love with you. I want you to stay, too." Jack smiled and took her hand. "Lily, will you be with me, now and always?" "Yes," Lily replied, her heart full of joy. "I will." From that day on, Lily and Jack were inseparable. They worked side by side, helping each other and making their village a better place. Jack continued to play his flute, filling the air with beautiful music, and Lily's smile grew even brighter. The villagers saw their love and celebrated it. They knew that Lily and Jack were meant to be together. Their love was pure and true, like the river that flowed through their village. Years passed, and Lily and Jack built a life full of love and happiness. They had a small house by the river, surrounded by flowers that Lily tended with care. Jack continued to work in the fields, and in the evenings, he played his flute while Lily listened, just like they had on that first day. One day, as they sat by the river, now with grey in their hair but love still in their hearts, Lily said, "Jack, our love has been the greatest adventure. I wouldn't trade it for anything." Jack smiled and kissed her hand. "I feel the same, Lily. You are my world." Their love story was simple but beautiful, a testament to the power of love and the joy it brings. Lily and Jack lived happily ever after, their hearts forever intertwined. And so, in the small village between the green hills and the sparkling river, the love of Lily and Jack became a legend, a story passed down through generations. It reminded everyone that true love is found not in grand gestures or distant places but in the simple moments shared with the one who holds your heart. Dash. This love story highlights the beauty of simple, genuine love and how it can bring joy and fulfillment in the simplest of settings.